If you're in the market for a premium hairdryer that not only delivers fast results but also protects your hair from heat damage, the Dyson Supersonic Origin hairdryer is an investment worth your attention. Right out of the box, the design stands out: sleek, modern, and ergonomically engineered. The black and nickel finish looks luxurious and feels high-tech. But what truly sets this device apart is not just how it looks, but what it does. Let's talk about performance. Dyson has simplified the original supersonic design in the Origin version by including just one essential attachment: the styling concentrator. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This one attachment is thoughtfully designed to deliver smooth, controlled airflow, allowing you to style your hair with precision while minimizing flyaways and frizz. Powered by Dyson's digital V9 motor, which spins at up to 110,000 RPM, the Supersonic Origin produces a high-velocity jet of air. That means your hair dries significantly faster than with conventional dryers, without the need for extreme heat. This is crucial because it helps prevent long-term heat damage, a major cause of dryness, split ends, and dullness. The intelligent heat control system is where the Dyson truly shines, literally. The device measures air temperature over 40 times per second, adjusting automatically to ensure your hair is never exposed to dangerous levels of heat. This technology results in some impressive stats: smoother hair by up to 75%, increased shine by up to 132%, and a reduction in frizz and flyaways by up to 61%. For anyone who struggles with unruly or damaged hair, these are numbers that really matter. Using the Supersonic Origin is intuitive. It features 4 precise heat settings, from a gentle warm temperature to a blast of cold air for setting your style, and 3 speed settings to match your hair type and styling goals. Whether you have fine, straight hair or thick, curly locks, the Supersonic adapts seamlessly to your needs. Another highlight is how lightweight and balanced it feels in your hand. The motor is uniquely positioned in the handle, not the head, which completely changes the feel of the dryer. It reduces arm fatigue and makes it easier to reach the back of your head or work in sections without strain, especially important if you blow dry regularly. Now, you might be wondering about noise. Despite its powerful motor, the Dyson Supersonic Origin is surprisingly quiet, thanks to advanced acoustic engineering. It hums with a smooth sound that's far less disruptive than traditional dryers. This is a huge plus if you're styling early in the morning or late at night and want to avoid waking up the household. As for the build quality, Dyson lives up to its reputation. The materials, aluminum, ceramic, and polycarbonate, are sturdy and feel premium. It's clearly built to last, and the quality is evident in every detail. In terms of usage, it's incredibly straightforward. Simply start with freshly washed hair, rough dry your roots, and then section off your hair. Use the styling concentrator with a round brush to direct airflow precisely and achieve a smooth, natural-looking finish. The airflow is so focused and strong, you'll find your styling time is cut significantly. To sum it all up, the Dyson Supersonic Origin hair dryer is fast, smart, safe, and stylish. It's ideal for anyone looking to protect their hair from long-term damage while enjoying salon-quality results at home. Whether you're a beauty enthusiast, a busy professional, or someone simply tired of bulky, loud, and ineffective hair dryers, the Supersonic Origin delivers on all fronts. It's not just a tool, it's a beauty investment. One that pays off in healthier, shinier, more manageable hair every single day.